If you use Google Drive every day, this quick trick can save you a lot of time and stress. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make Google Drive files available offline so you can open them even when you don't have internet access. This is perfect for travel, school, work, or any time your connection is weak or unreliable. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this on your computer by going to drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, take a moment to find the file you want to use offline. This could be a Google Doc, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or another supported file in your drive. The main thing is to locate the exact file you want to access without the internet later on. Now, once you've found the file, right-click on it. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Available Offline and click it. This tells Google Drive to save a copy of that file on your device so it can still be opened later, even if your internet drops or you go completely offline. After you click it, give it a moment to sync. Depending on the file size and your connection speed, this may take a few seconds. You'll know it's working when a small checkmark icon appears next to the file. That checkmark means the file is now available offline and ready to use. If you want to make sure everything worked properly, you can disconnect from the internet temporarily and test the file. Open it again and confirm that it loads correctly without needing a connection. This is a great habit, especially if you're preparing for a meeting, a trip, or a situation where Wi-Fi might not be reliable. One important thing to remember is that offline access works best when you set it up ahead of time. So don't wait until you lose internet to try this. Make your important files available offline while you still have a connection, and you'll avoid a lot of frustration later. And if you ever want to turn off offline access, you can go back to the same file, right-click it again, and change that setting. It's really that simple. Now you know how to make Google Drive files available offline in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.